how to use DoorDash grocery delivery to save items. So let me tell you guys, DoorDash does not currently feature a standalone wishlist or bookmark tool to save individual grocery items for later. Instead, you can save time by using the reorder function from your past purchases, importing an external grocery list directly into your cart, or favoriting entire grocery store. Now, to save and manage items, what you can do is use the past order history. Now to do that, open your DoorDash app. Now before jumping on that, first thing first guys, since I don't have an access for the DoorDash account in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from DoorDash to walk you through the process. Tap the order tabs at the bottom right corner of your screen and then select previous grocery delivery, then tap reorder to instantly populate your cart with those exact items. You can also paste a text list or import items straight from your device's reminder or notes app into the DoorDash app to build a grocery cart in minutes. Or just tap the heart icon on a grocery store page to save it to your favorites list for fast access on the home screen. You can also select and save your preferred item substitutions during checkout so the app remembers your choices for future orders. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.